English typing dictation in the Court of First Additional District and Sessions Judge at Mangaluru. Get ready for the dictation. Start. It is contended that the petitioner was treating the child cruelly and often she has habit of beating the child for no reason, and petitioner is having bad temper, and petitioner used to shout at child for no reason, and petitioner has deprived joys of the child, and child has great fear of the petitioner. Full stop. It is further contended that, respondent had taken deputation to Mangaluru with great difficulty, and there was no cooperation from the petitioner to stay with the respondent, and respondent had to make a separate residence for petitioner and to child to live with the petitioner. Full stop. It is further contended that, though he was employed at Raichur and petitioner never had intention to lead a marital life with the respondent, and petitioner using the child as a tool to seeking vengeance against the respondent. Full stop. It is further contended that child is very much attached to the respondent, and child used to cry inconsolably when respondent got cancelled the deputation, and even after the cancellation of deputation, respondent asked petitioner to stay with respondent, comma, however, comma, petitioner did not join respondent and it is further contended that, comma, respondent wanted to get child admitted school at Raichur, full stop. However, comma, petitioner did not heed for the request made by the respondent and it is further contended that petitioner had promised respondent that, comma, she would join him after 33 2022, comma, in spite of promising respondent, comma, she did not join after 33 2022 and petitioner did not stay with the respondent at Raichur and she was adamant and admitted the child at Canara Urva School in the year 2021, full stop. It is further contended that the, comma, petitioner would treat respondent as an outsider and petitioner never asked respondent to stay back at Mangalore, comma, whenever he visited from Raichur and after 33 2022, comma, when respondent asked the documents of the child in order to get the admission at Raichur, comma, she did delay and she did not furnish any documents and she denied coming back with the respondent to Raichur and petitioner on 5/5/2022 came along with child for a period of 10 days by availing leave and at that time the child was attached to the respondent and refused to go back to Mangalore and even at the time of returning to Mangalore, comma, child cried a lot and child was not ready to go along with petitioner to Mangalore and respondent requested petitioner to leave child there itself, comma. However, petitioner did not heed to the request made by the respondent and forcibly took the child to Mangalore on 15/5/2022. Full stop. It is further contended that, comma, respondent had informed petitioner that he would get the admission of the child in Raichur itself and asked petitioner also to shift to Raichur. Full stop. Stop.